Now I would like to invite our next chief guest, Miss Anuma Acharya, Wing Commander, Air Force. Ma'am, the stage is all yours.
Good morning. Am I audible and viewable?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible and you are viewable.
Thank you so much. So, good morning, all friends. That includes all the dignitaries, viewers, participants, and aspirants associated with this exclusive webinar. This is a national summit, Innovation in Forensic Era, and I congratulate ZACS Foundation for organizing this national summit through Google Meet for the benefit of all our students and aspirants. My name is Wing Commander Anuma Acharya. I am from the very first batch of women logistics officers in the Indian Air Force, and I was commissioned in 1993. So we are the people who laid the ground for the fighter pilots to come in as women officers. And after our induction, 25 years, the fighter pilots have also inducted. Now, coming back to this very event, I suppose this is a very less explored field, because to me, in all our TV and movies, what we see, forensic people are the hero steals the entire story. We hardly know about the forensic people. We hardly pay attention to them, in fact. But there are 7 to 8 government institutes in India, and I think this is a field which serves to our country as less sung warriors. So it is truly a multidimensional field, and it is a field of applied knowledge and practical knowledge. In fact, when I was reading about it, I was surprised that in Kautilya's Arthashastra in 200 BC, the reference of fingerprint investigation emerges. So it starts from that time, but finally, it was in a very preliminary stage in India, but it was in fact in some 18th century, the field was explored. In India, the first Forensic Research Bureau was founded in Kolkata in 1897, 100 years ago. And there were people from India named Azimul Haq, and I think he was Hemchandra Bose, those who have started these studies in India. Now we are we have well-established laboratories. Now this field has something very peculiar which attracted my attention. It is all science, but along with science, it has laboratory work, which is again science. Then there is a field work, and then there is a psychiatric studies, legal studies, criminal studies. Like, you have to be a master of everything. And since it is an applied field, the people who will work here will be, they emerge as the practical field level people. Now, my inquisitiveness in this started, I'm sorry to say that this was a Netflix season which was going on in our house, and in which I happened to see a series called Lucifer. It has a character called Lucifer Morningstar. So Lucifer is the series, and I see there's a lady called Lopez. She does a lot of forensic activities, and she's always, upbeat with her information, very prompt and very knowledgeable. So I think one day in India, this era, as we are referring it as forensic era, I'm sure India has great potential, and this is a very good initiative, not only to spread awareness, but also to establish this field as one of the prominent fields as a career also. I'm very happy to hear certain terms, there is something called Truth Lab in Hyderabad. Of course, it is related to the criminal investigation. So this is one field which is, it has a Truth Lab. Then today, since Navratras are starting, first thing is I wish you all of you happy Navratras, but at the same time, I also want to reiterate that forensic services in the country is governed by
Thank you, ma'am. Your thoughts were really inspiring and motivating. Thank you for gracing us with your presence here.